Oh, Cesario of Guantanamera, Regal moving a body outside Zakima. Regal takes the lead, running by the release Guantanamera. Zakima in third, Garly Max in fourth, then followed by Piscante alongside his Money King. And his Spartan is the early trader. Now we have Guantanamera takes the lead now by about 2 lengths. Regal in second, Zakima in third, Piscante, Money King, Garly Max. And Spartan is racing in last. As solo leader, that's Guantanamera by about 4 lengths. Zakima now in second, Garly Max alongside Regal. Here comes Piscante comes next. Guantanamera still the leader by only 2 lengths. Here comes Zakima now coming closer on the outside second. Garly Max in third, Piscante in fourth, and it's still Guantanamera by only a neck. Moving up on the outside is Zakima. Guantanamera still in front. Zakima is on the outside second. Guantanamera, Zakima on the outside as they come down at the last of the day. Guantanamera, Zakima is on the outside. Now we have Zakima takes the lead over Guantanamera, Piscante. Zakima now racing away, and finally it's Zakima, Guantanamera, Piscante, Garly Max, Regal, Money King, and Spartan.
Okay, hindi nag-disappoint sa kanyang mga backers. Si Zakima, mukhang nagamay na ang weather sa Pilipinas ni Zakima. Let's look at the instant replay to see how Zakima has won race number 6.